Okay, this is Dino, the AI toy we've been building. Super excited to show you guys. I'm gonna show you how it works. I'll have a conversation with it, and then I'll show you the app. Dino, wake up.
All right, I am waking up. Please wait a few seconds for me to get ready.
So it takes a few seconds. It's basically ChatGPT inside of a toy, soft.
Hi there. You must be Gabriel.
There it is.
Right?
That's my name. You can put in all your child's information in the app, and then it'll have a customized experience for every child. Let me show you a bit about it. It's got an on and off switch on the bottom and charges via USB-C. Fully interactable.
Wow, thanks, Gabriel. You're super smart. I'm Dino, and I'm so excited to meet you. Can we be friends?
Yes, we can be friends. So it has a few voice commands. That's how I woke it up. You can also turn it off with the switch to like fully shut it down. Dino, can you tell me some of the cool stuff you can do?
Yes, I can do so many fun things, Gabriel. We can make up silly stories, tell each other jokes, play games, or learn cool stuff together. Want to hear more?
Can we play trivia?
Yes, I love trivia. Let's play a fun one. I'll ask you a question and you try to guess. Ready? What animal has a long neck and spots?
I think that's a cow.
Oh, close guess. Cows do have spots, but this one's super tall and eats leaves from trees. Want to try again?
Is that some type of dinosaur?
Great thinking. Dinosaurs had long necks too, but this one's alive today and starts with a G. It's a giraffe. Want to try another one?
Yeah, can you give me a harder one?
All right, smarty pants. Here's a trickier one. What has hands but can't clap?
That one, I really don't know. What is it?
It's a clock. It has hands that point to the time, but they can't clap.
What else can you do besides trivia?
Oh, so much more. We can chat after your games, tell bedtime stories about anything you imagine, make up adventures, or even learn fun facts together. Want to try a story?
Dino, go to sleep. So that's the voice command. Yeah, that's basically Dino. You can do anything you want with it. The possibilities are basically endless. I'll show you the app now. Okay, speed run. At the top, your child's name, how much time they've spent on it, their streak, the amount of times they've used it in a row, and the amount of sessions they've done, the amount of chats basically. What would you like Dino to know or focus on? You can put in certain things your kid likes or you want them to learn about. So you can put in like science, math, or something really specific like ancient Egypt, and it'll talk about that more often. Volume, chattiness, volume self-explanatory. Chattiness, some kids like it to talk more, some kids like it to talk less. So you can control that in here. We tried to keep all the stuff on the app. We didn't want any distractions on the actual Dino, no screens. Weekly insights. This is an AI-powered thing where it'll just kind of read all the chats and give you some insights based on those chats. And then we have the chat section where it gives you full logs of every chat. You can scroll through all the history. That's what we just did. You can delete every chat. Once you delete it, it's gone. We don't keep it. We don't look at them. And then you can go back in time to all your other chats, or you just delete them all. And then we just rolled out this new feature called Ideas. Like I said, endless possibilities. So sometimes you kind of get stuck thinking of things to do with it. So we added a bunch of cool, fun stuff that people often use Dino for. So that's cool. And then settings, child information, name, how to pronounce the name. And then this one's cool, child's favorites. You can fill this out before they get the Dino. And then it'll like know stuff about them, like their favorite character or their favorite color. And when it turns on, it's like, hi. And then it says their name. So like, hi, John, I heard you like Bluey. And then the kids are always like super excited. It knows some stuff they like and it knows their name. And they think it's really cool. And then other miscellaneous settings and then support. We have 24/7 support. You can access it through the app. There's also an Ask Dino button. So basically you can ask anything and it'll respond based on all their chats. It's basically like asking Dino what they talk to your kid about. And that's basically it. So that's Dino. If you're interested, magicaltoys.com. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.